summarize, functions are input-output machines. They take an input set of numbers and output a corresponding set of numbers, and the function defines the relationship between those numbers. The particular problem that neural networks solve is when we don't know the definition of the function that we're trying to approximate. Instead, we have a sample of data points from that function, inputs and outputs. This is our dataset. We must approximate a function that fits these data points and allows us to accurately predict outputs given inputs that are not in our dataset. This process is also called curve fitting, and you can see why. Now this is not some handcrafted animation, it is an actual neural network attempting to fit the curve to the data, and it does so by sort of bending the line into shape. This process is generalizable, such that it can fit the curve to any dataset and thus construct any function. This makes it a universal function approximator.